Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But my people, in the Monday morning, uno know so me have to drop this part uno so uno hear this.
Hey, give me a box of the lace. I wish one, what color? What color you have on? Hey, don't take me in a video, you know.
You can't video me if you want.
Give me a box of the lace there. One box of the lace there.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, from what day I didn't want to show on the video, but I didn't get the chance to. So now, you see this video. I hope the driver is okay, my people. You can see, it seems like a car turned over. Basically, I don't know exactly what happened, but I know this take place in Trelawny, my people. Alright, so I hope the driver was okay, because you can see everybody just a grab and a take what they want. Alright, so tell me what you think about this video. Anyway, my people, wanna need to hear this. Man swept out to sea at Negril Resort, search continuing. A Jamaican man who was vacationing with his girlfriend at a resort in West End, Negril, in Westmoreland is feared dead after he was carried away by strong currents while trying to rescue his partner about 10 a.m. Sunday. The couple reportedly checked into the Samsara Cliff Hotel on Saturday night and was in the process of taking pictures on the cliffs at the resort on Sunday morning. Some people, when I say wagwan, this take place Saturday night, my people. This is just really sad. This is really sad. But right now, obviously, they can't find him, so he must dead. You understand me? He must dead, my people. Me I tell you, no man, we have to be more careful. We have to be more careful because it rough. Rest in peace. I hope they find the body and rest in peace. And my condolence goes out to the family. Alright, and tell me what you think about this. PNP calls for swift action to aid flood affected communities. PNP junior spokesperson on local government Wayne Strachan is calling for swift government action to aid flood-affected communities. However, she's cautioning the Holness administration against what the PNP sees as political cherry-picking of communities to be served. Ms. Strachan says the government should direct the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management ODPEM to provide immediate relief to the numerous communities severely impacted by recent heavy rainfall induced floods across the island. So, yes, this spokesperson, Miss Strachan, is doing a good job. Is the right thing you do. Yeah, alert them. Yes. Yeah, listen, Andrew Holness should have know all these things. But it look like he just a focus in one area alone. And the whole of Jamaica I'm a focus on, because this is really serious. A whole heap of people get flooded out. A whole heap of people can't sleep in their house because their house full of water. Some people want to tell me what to think, because of the right thing this person is doing, calling out Andrew Holness, because I just one place him a focus on, and I sent him. I say, look like to me, wait for him. Remember say him invest over there, in gas station and in KFC and one bag of something over there, so no say him I go pay more attention over there. So anyway, tell me what you think about this and put it in the comment section. The case management hearing involving opposition MP for South St. Catherine, Fix Jackson and Scotiabank is set to resume on February 28 next year. Mr. Jackson filed a suit on July 2022 seeking a declaration that the bank violated the law when it charged citizens a fee to encash checks at its branches across the island. People, when I hear good, he was charged a fee of $385 to encash a check valued at $2,500. Me people, a lot of time we go to bank and put money in, put check in and do what we have to do. And we're not checking. We not check anything they tell we. If they say we have to pay a fee, we just work with it because we really don't know them policies and procedures. Guys, listen to this. You hear what the man say? You hear what the MP say? The MP say they might charge citizens a fee, which they're not supposed to do. This, when you see a bank is doing this, it is stealing. They're stealing. Why are they doing that to us? You understand? We don't have no money already. And they might charge we if put money in or a charge we for clear money. Does it make sense? Does it really make sense? Me telling about these people. Listen, the bank, this is a bank. We supposed to trust. Yeah? We're supposed to trust, and when we save our money with them, our money supposed to keep safe, don't it? And you have the bank a rip way off, a rob way. A rob way, you know. They really a charge citizen their own customer money. You see what I'm telling about these people? A long time them a do them things there, you know. A long time. So I'm glad all the MP, I'm glad all the MP, see what go on and bring it to attention and sue them backside. Yeah, because they outer than and bright. I can't bet how much people they do that too. Can you imagine? You're a customer with a bank. You save your money with a bank. You go in there. You go inside the bank for clear check. And they might charge you a fee to clear your own money. I would like people to put it in the comment section. I would like people to reach out to me. Put it in the comment section. How much people have to go through this? How much people face this? Because a long time, bank them a thief, you know, brother. Long time and we don't know. You know why we don't know? Because we don't read and check and we don't know them policies and procedures. If they just say anything to it, we just go with the flow because I know I just with money we can't deal with. But it is not right. We not thief from poor people. We not for stop it. We not disgust me. We not for stop that. How could you? The bank, you know, the bank really had do this to we. A bank where we think say is safety. And now safety to blows and skirt, a sudden destruction. This is why we need to save our yard. Nobody enough knows that we have money in our house if we don't open our mouth. We need to save the money in our yard because a long time, I'm pretty sure a long time the bank never do this. And it is not right. At the right thing. This is MP, though, the right thing. Yeah, they might get exposed slowly but surely. Little by little, they might get exposed. Them too bright, man. Them too bright. How can a bank I try rob them own customer? I rob poor people. People they not even have. I want to tell people them say come up my account, come save with we. No, when we come save with uno no, una thief we. Una really drunk, you know? Yo, seriously. But as me say, if the head of the stream dirty, what you expect the bottom of the stream I go do? It go dirty too. My people, tell me what you think about this. Put it in the comment section. Come on, I want to hear from you know. Anybody this happened to. Also, I would like to hear from Uno. So put it in the comment section for me there. Anyway, my people, Uno need to hear this. The Bank of Jamaica has rolled out a public information campaign to sensitize users and financial institutions on how to recognize counterfeit polymer banknotes. Nearly a year after putting the new currency into circulation, the central bank advises in the meantime that no counterfeits of its new notes have come to its attention. Wait there, sticker pin. What do you mean nearly 1 year? Me sure no June gone. Me sure no say a June gone. Them come out with this money. So how comes them talk about 1 year? Then like you see, I'm pretty sure, pretty sure at June, them drop this money here. My viewers and subscribers, since then come out with this banknote, this new money, peer problem it a cause. Peer problem. The machine they don't want to take the money. Just peer problem. This a money a crosses. Crosses money. Me don't know whether me don't know what kind of thing this Andrew Wellness though. It look like interment. He have money for waste. I get it free. Cause me don't understand him. And now a pay counterfeit and them a say, you know, come to feed them attention about counterfeit. By the way, this money isn't even real because me just not understand it. Since this money come out, appear problem. This counterfeit money appear problem, me people. Wanna tell me what to think about this because this money across is money. I may not even believe say it real. This is fake. This whole thing is fake. So I don't know why Andrew Wellness decide to come up with this. Spend how much money as him claim to come up with this here when there's a lot of things in Jamaica need to be done. Really. And now he spend how much billions him claim on this. I know this account give problem. Cross his money. Cross his money. People don't need to keep hold on pound the old money. I use the old money. Use the old money. Don't get excited over this money because this money are crosses. Tell me what you think about this. Put it in the comment section. Let me hear from the views. Anyway, my people, I want to take in Mark Golden. Because Mark Golden have sent hands on fire. Watch this. Yes, my viewers and subscribers, when I can see Mark Golden is in action. So my people, like up the video, share it out and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. A big warm welcome to everybody that has been liking my video, sharing my video and subscribing to my channel. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.